Hi student, this is the first part of the tutorial video to help you to complete your assignment 1. So from your textbook page 12, you know that on the map we have some conventional signs. So here we're going to talk a bit more about your appendix, which are located on your textbook. It is page 94 and 95. So let's take a look here. So from our appendix 1, we know that this is featuring the conventional signs 惯用符号 of your map of the ratio of 1 to 20,000. So you have noticed that there will be some water-related features. So for example, you can see the blue area here, so you can have a guess. So these are some water-related features. So you can take a look here to know more. And also there are some topographic about the topography, so that you can take a look. So for example, this is the contour line, 等高線. Like if there is a mountain, is there a hill there, then you can from this 地形要素, some topographic features, so that you can know more about the location, that area, just by reading the map. Amazing. We have some railway and roads conventional signs. For example, the one where we have introduced during lesson, we have the railway and station, we have the expressway, main road. So these are really useful to help you to know what is being introduced. So by reading the map, you know what is like in that area. So cool. And then we have some conventional signs for buildings and other features. So I would ask you, so when you look at the map, you know that there are some green areas. So your wild guess, you may guess that there's maybe some trees related area, right? So for example, we have these meaning there is a park or sport ground. It means the country park. So make good use of the appendix 1, and then you'll know more about the conventional signs. Let's talk about the appendix 2. So appendix 2 is featuring the map of the ratio 1 to 5,000, comparing to the appendix 1 of 1 to 20,000. So you will know that actually appendix 2, the ratio of the map is going to focus on a narrower area. So that the conventional sign is going to introduce the building's features, tells you more in details than the map of the appendix 1, right? So like appendix 1 is showing you like this, okay? It's like a larger scale, but here in a smaller scale, we're showing something else. So let's take a look. We have settlements and roads. For example, if you are living in an estate, you will always see on the map, they are something like this. So they are actually indicating the buildings. And then we have like also the main road and the expressway for the drivers to read the map. And also we have, if this is like below sea level, we have some blue color on it. But if it's like a high mountain, then we have some red color for it. Cool. So also there are some water related features. So mostly the water related features, they have some blue color on it. And same, we have some topography, featuring the topographic features and some other elements. The main part of this appendix, I'm going to bring your attention here. It is about the building and transportation. Turn to your textbook page 95 and get a highlighter. Let's highlight with me. The first sign I'm going to introduce you is about the hospital and clinic. So you should be able to identify when you see this conventional sign, you know that it is about the hospital or clinic. And also fire station, police post. This one about the government office, so you should also know them. The municipal service building and the library, so highlight them. Post office, toilet. So this is featuring the cinema or the theater. This side, it is the sport ground. And we have this one, the indoor games hall. So here is somebody swimming. This is the swimming pool. This one is the temple. And this two, the church and a mosque. So there are some religious building. And here we have the secondary school sign. This two, the museum and a declared monument. Here we have a flower featuring a park. And this is P, so you see it in daily life. This is meaning the car park. And these two, they are the bus or mini bus. Okay, so make sure you have highlighted this part. So this is important. So highlight the part, know the sign, know their meaning. So this is the first part of the tutorial video. Hope that from this video you know more about Appendix 1 and 2, about the conventional signs, and get to know the important conventional signs. See you in the part 2 of the tutorial video.